What's up YouTube, welcome to another video. In this particular video I'm gonna talk about two of the new devices which has been launched a couple of days ago. Yes, I'm talking about two devices, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G and the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro 5G. Both the devices are launching between a span of 2 days. Both the devices are coming with the 108 megapixel camera sensors and both have 5G support pre-built in. So in this particular video I'm going to compare both the devices specification with each other and tell you about each and everything which are coming inside. So before going into the video, if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. So guys, first we are going to talk about is the display of both the devices. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G is coming with a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display on the front side, in which it has 89.9% of screen to body ratio, where we have 1440 by 3200 pixel of resolution, 20 by 9 is the aspect ratio, and 511 is going to be the PPI density inside. Front is also protected with a Gorilla Glass 6 protection. Also we see an HDR10 Plus support on the front side, and one of the main thing which is coming in the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is the presence of 120 Hz of refresh rate inside it, which is an awesome thing from Samsung. Many people are waiting for that particular refresh rate in Samsung devices and they come with a boom. Where if we talk about the Mi 10 Pro 5G, we got a 6.67 inch of Super AMOLED display. It is coming with 89.8% of screen to body ratio, whereas 1080 by 2340 pixel is the resolution, 19.5 by 9 is the aspect ratio, and 386 dpi density is going to be seen in that particular device. Gorilla Glass 5 protection is going to be seen on the front of the device. HDR10 Plus support is going to be seen in that particular device. And the last thing is, it is also coming with a 90 Hz of a refresh rate, a lower refresh rate than the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Moving on to talk about the chipset which is coming inside both the devices. So in terms of Samsung Galaxy S20 5G Ultra, it is coming in two different variants of processor inside. Exynos 990 is going to be seen globally, whereas the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 is going to be seen in US variants of Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. In terms of Exynos 990, the GPU which is coming inside is going to be the Mali G77, whereas Snapdragon 865 is coming with an Adreno 650 GPU inside. If you look at the Mi 10 Pro, we will be seeing a Snapdragon 865 processor inside the devices, and the GPU which is coming inside will be Adreno 650. Next is going to be the cameras. Well, on the front side of the device we are seeing a single punch hole camera cutout present in the top center of the device in terms of S20 Ultra 5G, and the selfie camera is coming with a 40 megapixel of a camera sensor on the front side which can record up to 4K videos, whereas in terms of Mi Note 10 we also seeing a camera cutout present on the top left of the device, and it is also coming with a single camera cutout, whereas the camera sensor which is coming inside is going to be 20 megapixel. 1080p video on 30 frames per second is going to be recorded in that particular device, whereas on the back of S20 Ultra 5G we are seeing a 108 megapixel of a camera sensor which has a support for optical image stabilization, and it has a focal length of 1.8. The second camera is going to be a 48 megapixel of a telephoto lens which has an option of 10x hybrid and optical zoom inside it. 12 megapixel is going to be the ultra wide camera inside it, and also it is supporting a super steady video recording in ultra wide camera, whereas the last camera is going to be 0.3 megapixel of time of flight sensor inside it, and the last camera is going to be the depth sensor camera inside the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, whereas in Mi 10 Pro we are seeing 108 megapixel camera sensor. It is also supporting an optical image stabilization, where it is coming with an aperture of 1.7. 8 megapixel is going to be the telephoto lens, and 10x hybrid optical zoom is going to be seen in this device as well. 12 megapixel of a portrait camera is going to be seen in that, and 20 megapixel of ultra wide camera is coming in that device. One of the main advantage of S20 Ultra 5G 108 megapixel camera sensor is that it can record 8K video in 30 frames per second. The videos are going to be recorded in HDR10 Plus, and they have an optical image stabilization inside it. Whereas Mi 10 Pro also can record 30 frames per second 8K videos, and they have an electronic image stabilization inside. Moving on, if we talk about the memory, so in terms of memory, Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is coming with three different variants: 12GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage, 12GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage, and a 16GB RAM and 512GB of internal storage is going to be seen in the S20 Ultra. The storage is based on UFS 3.0. It also supports a micro SD card slot as well, which can also be used as a shared SIM slot. In terms of Mi 10 Pro, it is also coming in three different variants. The base variant is of 8GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage, 12GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage, and 12GB RAM and 512GB. The storage is also based on UFS 3.0, and one of the things which is missing in Mi 10 Pro is it is not supporting the micro SD card slot inside it. Next is the operating system. Well, in terms of operating system, both the devices are coming with the latest software from Google, which is the Android 10. In terms of S20 Ultra, One UI 2.0 is going to be seen in terms of skin, which is using in Samsung devices, whereas MIUI 11 is going to be seen in the Mi 10 Pro device in terms of skins. Battery wise, the S20 Ultra is coming with a massive 5000 mAh of a battery with a fast charging support of 45 watt, which can charge your device in 58 minutes. It is also supporting a USB power delivery of 3.0. 15 watt of wireless charging is included in that particular device, and a reverse wireless charging, or you can say a power bank support of 9 watt charging to the other devices. Mi 10 Pro is also coming with a massive 4500 mAh of a battery with a fast charging support of 50 watt. Power delivery is going to be based on 3.0. It has a fast wireless charging support of 30 watt, and it can support a reverse wireless charging of 10 watt. So lastly, we are going to talk about the price of both the devices, and in terms of price, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G is coming with a high price tag. The base variant is coming with a $1,400 of a price tag for that particular device, whereas if you look at the Mi 10 Pro 5G, it is coming with a decent price tag, and $714 is going to be the price of the Mi 10 Pro. So guys, these are some of the specifications regarding the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G and the Mi 10 Pro. So guys, that is pretty much it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about both of these devices. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, a sub will be massively appreciated. So thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.